Nah, let's see if it's scary. Let's see if it's scary. I wanna get spooked for real. Oh, it's in the game. Oh my god. I thought it's not in... Okay, that's what I like. I thought it's... Because you FBI lady. Oh. Okay, scare me. Scare me right now. Let me scream. Let me... The fuck? Fuck you. Pigeon! Oh my god, pigeons. Oh, it's not pigeons. Okay, that bitch little scared me. Already? What the fuck? Bro, Outlast. Outlast is the scariest game. Outlast 1, Outlast 2, Outlast... I never played Trinity and I don't want to because I don't like co-op games. But let's go. I want to play Outlast 3. For real, let's go. I'm not scared, no. Nope, nope. Bruh, she got the blibli. Bro, she got this stuff. Oops, I'm not scared. Nah, man. Bruh. Go home then. Yeah, go home. Grace, you look like you're 22, 23, 24. Younger than me at all. Bro, she's cute. I'm single.